Hi, I'm Chef Jeff Crosier, Executive Chef for HHS. The Indulgence Burger. This one lives up to its name. A perfectly seasoned 6-ounce beef patty, dusted with Spiceology raspberry chipotle, stacked high with caramelized onions, a layer of heat, candied jalapenos, raspberry jam, and candy bacon, all tucked into a warm, toasted brioche bun. Sweet, spicy, smoky, savory. A full experience in every bite. What we have here is chipotle raspberry jam, candied jalapenos, and caramelized onions. See how these cook down? We got the candied jalapeno, we got the caramelized onions, and we got the raspberry jam. I'm just going to generously season it. And we're going to mix this up. 6-ounce patty. These burgers on. Let them sear and let them cook. Brioche buns, candied bacon. Burgers are cooking. Add the caramelized onions on top. Candied jalapenos. Got the buns, they're toasting up. Got a little bit of that on each one. Candied bacon ready to go. Shoot that right up on the bun. Toast it. There you have it. The Indulgence Burger. Enjoy.